When you create a file object is created in RAM, and it's going to remain there until the execution of your program ends. Therefore, it might be a good idea to actually close the file, and so that the file is deleted from the memory once you are done processing that file. For example, in this script, you are creating the file object, and here you are reading the content of that file object and storing it as a string. So my file.read outputs a string, which represents the text of the file. That string will be stored in this content variable. So here I'm done with processing the file. Then after that, I'm just processing the string that I saved in this variable. Therefore, it makes sense to apply my file.close, even though this is not strictly mandatory, but it's a good idea to use it. So if you do that, you'll still get the correct output. Something you should know now is that if you apply my file.read again after you have closed the file, you're going to get an error. It says that this operation is being performed on a closed file, so you cannot do that. So this is how to create a file and close it. But there is a better way to do all that. I'll show you that in the next video.